Dan, you are my best friend, my soulmate, my everything. Here's to us, Birdie. Buckle up because the ride's just about to start.
You're melting. Oh no!
Alright, the bridesmaids.
Oh.
Wow, I didn't know which one I was marrying, to be honest. Because you were all so beautiful. But then when I turned around up at the house, I seen Nancy and I couldn't hold it in. I shed a tear. Nancy, today I take you to be my wife. You are my best friend. I promise to love and create a life of happiness, to share my thoughts, hopes and dreams with you. I look forward to spending the rest of my life with you and our children.
My Birdie, I've loved you for almost 8 years, but now and today, I become your wife. When we first met, you saved me from when I was drowning. I was at a dark place with the loss of my dad, and I thought there was no hope, until you come along and you showed me what love is. You gave me a beautiful daughter who has taught me so much as well. So today, not only do I vow to you, I also vow to you, baby. Kiani Mila Bird. We truly become a family, and I vow to always protect you, to always be there for you no matter what. I've always said you are half your dad, half your mum, and 110% me with your attitude. Dan, I vow to cherish you. I vow to love you always and forever. You are my best friend, my soulmate, my everything. Here's to us, Birdie. Buckle up because the ride's just about to start.